Setting up Android apps on Windows 11 and need to work with WSA package files. These contain the Windows Subsystem for Android runtime components. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install and manage these Windows Subsystem for Android packages. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional WSA file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. A WSA file is associated with the Windows Subsystem for Android, WSA, a feature in Windows 11 that allows users to run Android applications. These files are typically system-level packages or data containers used by the subsystem to manage and execute Android apps within the Windows environment. As a component of a complex virtualization layer, a WSA file is likely a proprietary container or disk image format, like VHDX. It's designed by Microsoft to encapsulate parts of the Android open source project, AOSP environment, ensuring seamless integration, security, and performance on the Windows host OS. To maintain file fidelity, use Windows Subsystem for Android developed by Microsoft Corporation to open WSA. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows restricts access since changes can create boot or runtime issues. Your first step towards full access, right-click the WSA file and select Open With. If Windows Subsystem for Android is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If the WSA file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Rather than guessing, let's understand the root cause. Before we deploy the universal fix, here are the most common technical reasons your WSA file is generating this error. First, installing through Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store on Windows 11 and search for Amazon App Store, which automatically installs the Windows Subsystem for Android as a dependency. Ensure your system meets requirements including virtualization enabled in BIOS, 8 GB RAM minimum, and supported Windows 11 build. The installation handles WSA package deployment automatically. Next, sideloading WSA packages. Download WSA package files using the Microsoft Store online generator and install through PowerShell using the Add Apex package CMDLet with administrator privileges. This method enables WSA installation on systems where direct Microsoft Store installation is unavailable due to regional restrictions or modified Windows configurations and provides access to the latest WSA builds. Finally, managing WSA settings. Access WSA settings through the Windows Subsystem for Android app installed alongside the package. Configure resource allocation file system, access developer mode, and network settings. Use ADB Android Debug Bridge to connect to the WSA instance for advanced configuration, side-loading APK files, and debugging Android applications running on Windows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.